I'm working at my desk, it can be quite dark. So I got these two USB LED lights, and they are gooseneck lights. They're bendable, you can bend them. The power button is right over there on top. All I have to do is just press it. One other thing that I like is I can change the dimmer, so I can adjust it, make it brighter, and also reduce the light and dim it. See, very nice, very durable. I absolutely love it. I love that I can change the positioning everywhere, and I can press it again, okay, and change the light and turn it off. I love that when it's nighttime, I can use it without disturbing my spouse, and when it's time to go to bed, I can just turn it off and I'm good to go. I love this.